What's up, guys? This is B-Side Investing. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please feel free to like and subscribe. And so today it's just going to be really short. I know I usually say I want to try and keep it short, but today's going to be really short because there's not much news in terms of the stocks that we own. And I think the past few videos have gone way too long, so I'll try to keep this short. And excuse me. I think I've been talking too much about Goedeker, the 1847 ticker symbol GOED. I know they did have a news today, but and I'm up big on that. But I'm gonna stay away from that and then come back on it maybe a few weeks later, maybe even a month time. Who knows? When that thing is up above $4 or $5, and then I'll bring it up. But otherwise, I'll just shift away from it now. So, okay. So in terms of a portfolio, we are down 1% today. Really minute. Not much movement today. So the good thing is the census is creeping back up. So we're down only 33%. If you remember the stock was down all the way to 140, 150s. So yeah, definitely looking really good here. So the comeback was real, and we did have a really good day yesterday, but today the market seems to have come back down to earth a little bit. So but you know, in the morning it was kind of bad, but it's kind of recovered around, like, I want to say throughout the day it's kind of caught up. And yeah, so let's see. So census 9%. Bitfarm's barely up. Kind of puzzling because Bitcoin was up a few percentage, so I'm not sure why these miners are not up. BNGO's down. There wasn't any news about that, but let's see. Banks is barely down. Yeah, see, if you look at the BTC ETF here, you like this thing pretty much mimics what Bitcoin is doing. So it's up 2.34% today. So the miner should be up at least 2%. I mean, let's see. So Coinbase is down. DeFi is up 5%. Okay, that's good. That thing's been taking a hit, so it's good to see it go up. DGHI is up 1.7. Okay. And then we have Hive is down, HUT is down, Mogo, Neptune, they're all down. Now, HUT, I'm not sure why HUT is down. Maybe because of all the short, because this thing should not be at 491. I mean, come on. At some point, if this keeps on continuing, like, the value of their Bitcoin is going to be way higher than the market cap of the company, which is ridiculous. I mean, so I don't think this is gonna last. This thing will kind of break away, and maybe we need like a little short squeeze happening here too, like with what happened with AMC yesterday. Went up over 100%. So who knows, right? So let's see. Hive. No. Okay. So it was just Bitfarm. They just had a change in management, I believe. Right, appointed a new CFO, management promotions and grant of options. So they have their stock option grant. Let's see. So Mr. Lucas is the one that's getting promoted, promoted. And I'm not gonna get too much into the personnel here because could beg to differ how much of an effect he's going to have, but we will see from here on out. And just going to look at the stock option grant, but okay, so so they gave him 364,000 stock options incentives. And let's see, exercise. One common share price at 545 for a period of 5 years from the date of the grant. Okay. Oh, wow. So he has that option. That's nice. I mean, 545. That's a really good price. I think that's what it's at. Yeah, 545 is what was closed. What opened today. No, sorry, what was closed yesterday. So Really attractive, honestly. That price is really attractive. So he has 5 years. That's a really good deal. Wow. Yeah. Honestly, that's a good one. Okay, so I've kind of put this in privacy mode because I've increased my position to a sizable position now. So I just wanted to show you what assets I hold, and these are rankings based on the monetary investment. So how much money I put in. So PancakeSwap is kind of the highest. Then we got Polkadot, Cardano, Harmony, VeChain, Ripple, Doge, Polygon, 1inch, Link, Data, Graph, Solana, Phantom, Venus, and then next page we have Bitcoin, Bakery Token, and 8. These are really small positions, and I've kind of gone away from like the big guys, like the top 3 guys, and just focus on the smaller big cap coins and projects. So like I showed you, I think it was 2 videos ago, I'm doing the staking, and I think I'm just gonna keep it around that as where it is with PancakeSwap, and I'm gonna load up more into Cardano, VeChain, and all these guys. I'm just gonna load up on them now. So pretty much that's the game. I've kind of like, I think I'm over 15 coins now. So this is just reserved for me to buy when it dips, but it's a small reserve. So I think I've done pretty good. I think 24 hours they're moving a lot, honestly. So if you look at the 24-hour movement for all these cryptos, so we look BNB, those guys, yeah, like I said, Bitcoin was up, so the miners should be up too. Yeah, and the highest was, let's see, I think the one, Solana just shot up like it was crazy. That thing just shot up 20% plus. Theta came back up too. And then we have Filecoin, it was just crazy. Came up 27% in the past 24 hours. And I think we have, let's see, that Telcoin is like, okay. Okay, there we go. The graph is up, Harmony is up, Nano is up 10. Okay. KuCoin's up. Wow. Wow, that thing just recovered real quick. And then, okay, not sure about that one. But anyways, you get the idea. Crypto is kind of recovering back quick. And then we have the market cap is now hovering around 1.7, which is good. And Bitcoin seems to be consolidated. I think we happened, yesterday was around 35, 36, 37. Now it seems to be 37, 8, and 9. So that's good. Okay, I think I'll end it here and keep it really short. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and always do your own research, fact check them, and yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.